In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set the side key double press to open up your favorite app on your Samsung Galaxy S23. First, open the Settings app and scroll through your settings and select Advanced Features. Next, tap on Side Key. And under Side Key, you should see double press. Make sure it is enabled. Once enabled, you should see the option Open App with a setting icon next to it. Tap on the setting icon. This allows you to add your favorite app to your double press on your side key. Say, for example, I choose Spotify. So once I've chosen Spotify, let me go back to the home screen and double press on the side key. This one right here. Double press. And as you can see, Spotify is opened up. Now, if you want to put a different app, simply go back and change it to, let's say, Apple Music. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.